A pleasant day to all teachers. In era marked by rapid advancement and globalization, the role of education in shaping young mind is paramount. This research proposal seeks to address a crucial aspect of the educational landscape in the Philippines, enhancing the relative knowledge. So let me introduce our action research proposal entitled MAPME Educational Booklet Enhancing the Philippines Relative Location Knowledge of the Grade 4 Pupils of Pocha Elementary School. Social science is defined as the field of the knowledge that deals with all aspects of the group life of human beings. Pocha Elementary School's grade 4 students are at a crucial stage in their educational journey where foundational knowledge is essential. Topics such as location, place, and directions are key concepts that form the basis for knowledge in geography and are necessary for activities in each process of life. It is a basic knowledge and skills that is sometimes needed when going to school, home, market, or movie, and sometimes when visiting another country. The study specifically sought answers to the following questions. Number 1, what are the mean pretest scores of the participants in each of the two groups before the use of the intervention? Number 2, what are the mean post-test scores of the participants in each of the two groups after the use of the intervention? 3, is there a significant difference between in the mean pretest and post-test scores of the two groups? 4, is there a significant difference in the mean pretest and post-test scores of each of the two groups? Number 5, what is the effect size of the intervention on the academic performance of participant in statistic subject? Through a pretest, we will prove that the students are struggling with their geographical knowledge. We chose to craft an intervention named MAPME Educational Booklet. This tool will be soft-bounded and the soft copy will be disseminated to the learners so they can browse it anytime. We will use the quasi-experimental research design in two-way two-group design. We will have two distinct groups, an experimental and a control group. The participants who are the grade 4 students of Pocha Elementary School. We will use defined inclusion criteria wherein the result of the pretest will identify the experimental and the control group. There were 15 participants for experimental and 15 participants for the control group, which is chosen by means of randomization. To gather the data, we will use an assessment tool before, during, and after the introduction of the intervention to measure its effectiveness. Permission from the appropriate authorities will be obtained before the study is conducted. After receiving the permission, we will carry out the intervention with the participant. In addition, teachers will ask told to assist in the implementation of the intervention. The respondents are expected to participate. To analyze the effects of the MAPME educational booklet, the following statistical tools will be used. So this next part of the presentation shows the work plan of this action research. So there you have it. This is the proposal paper for the action research entitled MAPME Educational Booklet Enhancing the Philippines Relative Location Knowledge of the Grade 4 Pupils of Pocha Elementary School. So that ends our action research proposal presentation, and thank you for listening.